Hey guys. Shut up, no, like let me do a voice over. So guys, msimamo mnataka kuona hiki kitu itakuwa vitu yangu ninapendaka bamslamu banapendeza sana banapenda bomba vitu sana nani anasema hivyo nataka kwa huyu mtu okay Joy was just shut up. I'm crying. Okay guys, after that trying to narrate this thing. Okay, so I just got one package. Let me not show you my address because I don't want you to come out to my house. Let me open it. It's either the pen for my my touchscreen laptop or my earbuds, and it could be my phone, but I don't think it's my phone because it's like way too thin to be an iPhone X. Watch me. Let's open it.
Do you have to be extra in this one?
Shut up.
What does it say on the package? What does it say?
It's a brown box. No, hello, thank you. No sticker. It's the phone. Guys, it's the phone. Elections. Guys, I think it's the phone. I think it's the phone.
Why is your bed leaning?
Because it's squishy and because it's not on the wall. Shut up.
That's why I like my.
Because look, the charger.
Headphones have this.
It's the phone. It's actually the phone. So guys, I bought it off Reebelo. Okay, let me actually do this actual review now. So I bought it off Reebelo, and actually no. First, guys, I'm gonna go shower, and then I'm gonna come back, and then I'm gonna come and review this phone. My phone actually came. Put your shit down, so you know I'm gonna put this in.
No, don't. Start again.
I'm gonna put a big emoji on your stomach, and then you.
No. Start again.
No.
Talk again. No.
I'm not fake.
Batu bakanisa batandiona, bro.
So she has a phone. She's got a phone. And I thought I was making it. I'm not that. This one. Let's just leave her a little bit so she figures out everything about anything in my hair. I don't know why she thinks that she's old. Just because she has a phone now. Anyways, bye. Let me show you my phone. Okay, let me start. Yeah, my lips unchapped. Okay. It's so hot. Okay, so hi guys, I'm back. It's so hot. I'm already sweating. It's only been a second. Damn. Okay. So we're gonna open this. This is my phone. So this is basically a review on
Forgive and forget.
My sister's saying that she opened it already because how I went to go take a shower and I left it here. Anyways, you guys gonna see a beat down today if she opened it. And then I'll forgive her. Yeah, it's like that. Okay, I'm actually sweating so much. Guys, don't come to the shoulder. This one's too hot. Come in the winter. Okay. Yeah, I have international friends. Stop looking at me like that. Okay, so this is a review from Jeanette Shukurani, and this phone came from Reebelo, and I was expecting an actual Apple box, but I guess because Reebelo is a secondhand it's a refurbished website where they refurbish old devices that people don't want, so it's really sustainable and good. Not me act like they sponsored me, but yeah, it's actually really good. You guys should actually buy from Reebelo too. I was looking you don't know how I was hunting for this phone. I was looking at the reviews and everything and seeing if they're good, and I was gonna buy from different other websites. I actually thought this was the this box. When I looked at it, I thought it was the earbuds or the pencil. No, like I wasn't expecting the phone until I saw this. A charger.
It's really thin.
Can you hurry up? I'm about to go to work, bro.
Ah, fine.
Okay, got that simu, yo.
Imagine if I snap
It's
this.
a whole-
Oh,
Yo,
I think I see the
everything is so
camera.
slow. Wait, it's like it's not on in a box.
No.
No, this is the phone.
That's so yucky.
This is the box. Just shut up.
Like, Jana utakuya haibisha, bro.
Why does that look the same size as mine?
It's the same phone.
X.
Yeah,
not
it's
the
the
same.
X.
X. Oh no, it's just the X.
S.
No, just the X.
Oh.
That's the I want.
But what said it's saving up to buy your friends?
It's the X 256 gigabytes, and it was
I'm probably going
it was $361, I think. No, $51. And I
Can't
got
be your
$10
card.
off.
Unataka kuniita, please.
Bruh. There's so much, like, I love how they took, like, they actually put, like, effort into actually, like,
I
packaging.
don't know why you got one of those phones when you know you
Oh,
broke
and it comes to the case.
Oh, it comes with the case. Oh, they're so nice. Ew, it's not even the actual case for the phone.
Obviously.
Anyways,
You still have.
look,
Yeah.
here's the phone. This is how it came. 256X. Should I check off the...
Is that a SIM card?
Huh? Where? SIM card?
Right there. On the top.
Oh, top, no. But it came in an iPhone something. I don't know what iPhone
11.
that is. But yeah, it came in that
Sorry.
case. Look. Okay.
They're so dumb.
Ah! What is this sticker?
It cannot be.
They put a sticker on my phone, bro.
The way this nigga takes it off.
Imagine, mouth open. Now you got to swallow it.
Shut up.
Exactly.
Look, guys, I got my phone. No, like, I actually can't believe it. You don't know how long I've been waiting to
Can you
get a
pass me
phone.
my break again, please?
Came in a,
Laptop. Oh,
This
should
is
we
the
break
phone.
laptop, bro?
That's what I'm saying.
it came in a case.
Now, what else can you break? There's
TV,
earbuds.
she's already breaking.
It's so beautiful,
Oh, yeah.
That's what
and it's so light.
she said it was.
It's like, okay, let me open it actually.
I swear that looks
Oh,
the
no,
same size.
never mind. It's like, it's in good condition, but like, you can see that it's used, and I got as new.
My friend's not in there. It's right here.
Like, I don't know if you guys can see
So,
that,
guys, this is the
but you can see that
X's
it's.
Max, my phone.
That's not your face.
Okay, let's compare.
No, but you can see that it's used, guys. You can kind of see this, like
Let me see.
the
How
Bring
size.
the pen here.
Is it just XS X
This is-
SA?
Can I see
Put it
your
together.
pen? Can I see the pen?
Oh, it's small. No wonder it didn't feel like yours.
Bird is sitting and Bernie
Okay,
Bird.
so guys, this is my old phone.
On the thing, it should say Bernie Bird.
That's my old phone. It was iPhone
Back.
X.
Going to
Oh, this is iPhone X, iPhone 6, and it still has like, cause I got it in like
Is it
2019,
6S?
and it still has my 2020 card from school. Look at it, it's so dirty. Cause I haven't touched it in years, and look, it's like it's not straight anymore.
Don't say years. There only has been 2 years.
Wait, is this still straight? No, it's not straight. I don't think it's straight. And then this is my case from like year 7, bro. Yeah, but I've been saving this phone, so then I can, like, I can put the SIM card in here. Can you do that? Yeah, I wanna
Is
put
your SIM
there's
card
a SIM card in
Yeah,
here.
you can.
I wanna put it in here, and I wanna see all my year 7 stuff and my year.
No, that's not SIM card. That's number. Look at your number.
Yeah, there's a SIM card in here.
It doesn't take all your photos and everything.
Oh really?
Yeah.
That's iCloud. You need backup.
So this one, you have to fix this.
No, do you have your iPhone?
No, I don't know. Maybe not. I don't
You know your candles on there. On that phone.
Guys, it has so many.
If you remember that account, you
It's
can
dirty
put it on
now.
your phone.
Okay, let's open it, guys.
Thank you, buddy.
No, it actually no. It said that they come like over 100%. No, never 100%. Like 90 and over. They charge the phone. So this is from Reebelo, as I said. Yeah. My friends were saying that it was gonna be a scam. What did you like that?
What phones do you have?
Checking out and stuff. Oh, it came with charge 60%.
Check the battery health.
Oh, the battery health. Wait, let me see. Move.
Did you put the case back on it?
No, the case one.
Let me just check the battery. Let me put the case back on before it breaks. This is not a protected case, but
I'm gonna put it in the break.
no, I'm gonna try
You're
not to
gonna
take
break
care
on
of
it.
it. I'm actually trying to take care of it. Where's the battery health? What do you put the battery? Yeah.
My way.
And then what?
Then go to general thing. And then she say that
My way.
she said that.
My way. How can I wear it?
Okay. No. Let's see if it's the actual store.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, no, it's over here.
Oh,
No, it's cool.
98. I was doing research. Oh, you guys can't see it, but they're 98. But I was looking at the I was doing some research, and apparently once an iPhone reaches like 80, its battery health goes below 80 or something. It's like no, like it's really hard to use it, and you have to like just keep on charging it all the time. But guys, this is my phone. It's so cute. Look at the size difference. Look at the size difference. It's just a little bit bigger than my iPhone 6.
And it doesn't have a button.
It's so cute and lightweight. Oh my god. I actually thought I was gonna get a big phone like that one. I didn't know that was the XS.
You thought it was gonna be this big.
I didn't know that was XS.
Max.
Max.
I didn't know. But it's basically the same thing anyways.
You literally got $40 when you could have gone to the shop.
Yeah.
That was this $400. I think it was just $40 when you could have gone this way.
No, I don't have that money, but $40 a lot. But yeah guys, that's my phone. And I'm gonna do what's on my phone video after I like set this up. Okay, let me talk about my phone a bit more. So this phone came in good condition, very good condition. I got as new. It was like I don't know I forgot how much more money it was, but I guess this is it's like it's not. You can see that it's not new. Like when you look close up, there's like some dents and yeah, some scratches. But I'm just happy that the back is not scratched at all, and the front is not scratched at all. It's just like the side. You can see that it's definitely not new, but they're like little tiny marks and scratches. It's really good. Like this is like it's so cute. Like, I can't get over this. This is my phone now, guys. There's gonna be like a lot of good videos because I'm gonna start recording on this phone instead of on laptop. Oh, you don't understand. Like, let me tell you guys something. So I used to get teased a lot, like, because of how I broke this phone. I got this phone in, I think it was 2019, when I went into year 7, and then broke it in, I think in that same year. No, I think I broke it in year 8. No, I broke it in 2019, and then I continued using it, and then it broke again in 2020 maybe. But yeah, and then it stopped working at all now. Like, it doesn't even turn on anymore. The phone's done for. I'm gonna come fix it probably when I grow up and have money. Oh my gosh, I almost dropped it again. But yeah, people are always teasing me at school just because I don't have a phone and telling me, well, what phone do you have? They have teasing because they have an Android, and they're like, well, what phone do you have? Like that joke was getting old, and finally, I'm happy that like in 2020 now, no 2023, I'm gonna come back with 2023 with an actual phone to school, and like a phone like you don't understand because you know how I do YouTube and stuff. Like you need to vlog with something, and like you always wanna like vlog with something outside, but I never had anything. So like every time I'll be like going somewhere, like traveling somewhere far, I'll be like, oh, I could have vlogged this and I could have showed you guys. But yeah, I didn't have a phone then. But yeah, like I finally have a phone, and I thank God. Like honestly, this like I still have it. Like I'm still processing this. Like I have a phone now. Like what the heck? Oh my gosh. Okay, let's take a minute of silence, guys. Like, thank the Lord.
I can stop making a phone. I want to put that one in.
No, I actually, like, I'm still trying to process this. Like, I actually have a phone now. Like, what the heck?
Like, no.
Because, guys, I've lived so long without a phone. Because, like, I didn't really, at first, I was like, oh, I get a
2
job.
months.
Shut up, Joy. Like, I literally got a job because I wanted to save up for a phone. But then I wasted, like, tons of my money on rubbish. And then after, like, I got out of the job. And, like, I got out of the job. I realized, damn, then like, he had a bunch of money and he could have bought this phone. And, like, I was just trying to, like, save up for the bare minimum good phone. And that was the iPhone 7 because right now the iPhone 7 is the one getting updated. The iPhone 7 was like $200. Now saving up for $200. But now look what I got, like, iPhone X. I know you rich people who get the iPhone 14, iPhone 12, iPhone this, iPhone that. Don't really care because it's an iPhone X. Oh, so cheap. Please, leave me alone. Let me be. I'm a broke girl, and I got a pretty good phone. Like, it's really good. Life is good, bro. Thank God. Like, with God, anything is possible. I'm telling you, like, I was just, like, every time, like, I'll think about getting a phone, and I'll see everyone having their phone, I'm like, I'll just leave it to God, and I know in the future I'll have a phone. Like, I didn't really care, like, living without a phone. Everyone was like, I don't know how you can live without a phone. And I'm like, no, like, I don't really think about it. I don't really care. I just, like, you don't even realize you don't have a phone until you actually look around and see everyone has a phone. But like the phone is not, like, I remember, phone is not the sense of your life. Why does it keep on flashing? Oh, that's maybe that's Face ID. What is that?
Yeah.
Like it keeps on flashing.
Where?
This keeps on flashing. Oh. Okay, guys. I'm gonna like set it up and stuff. And I can't wait for like the TikToks, Instagram. I'm gonna do my first day of school vlog with this phone. I can't wait to get back to school. I'm telling you, like the big things are happening. 11 and 12, bro. I thank God. I thank God. It's all because of God. That's why you guys should just leave everything to God. Don't be like stressing out on things. Like people were telling me, Johnny, you should get another job and you can buy your own phone. And I was like, nah, I don't really care, blah blah blah. It wasn't until like last week, I was like 2 weeks ago actually, when I finished school, I was actually thinking about getting a job close to the holidays, and I don't have the money to buy a phone. And then I bought a phone out of nowhere. What the heck? Okay, guys, that's the end of this video. If you guys liked it, make sure you like and subscribe for more videos. There'll definitely be more videos with better quality and better editing and stuff. I'm so pretty.
Anyways,
I am. Look at my devil. I'm not on. I need them.
you're forcing it. You're
No,
forcing it.
look. I smell. Oh, no, this one. This one's going right. Someone stole it. You stole this dude. Okay, I'm just gonna stop this phone. Oh, I don't know if I should say anything more about Rebellion.
No, because you're not sponsoring it. It's not a sponsor.
Okay, let's set up this phone. Face ID. I can't believe I got a phone with Face ID. Like,
Okay, are you gonna cut that video? Or you
no, I'm gonna like cut a bunch of stuff and put a bunch of stuff instead of.
Where's your adapter?
Then I will do. They didn't give me an adapter. They just gave me charging
You
cable.
have that old one for breaking license.
Okay. Leave me alone. Access the
That's
building.
why you have a $2 charge.
Where's passcode stuff? Like I don't even know how to use a phone. Like I have to relearn how to use a phone now because I forgot.
No, you didn't. All those time you were going on Mama's phone.
Oh yeah, I was using my mom's phone. Let's use get started.
You have to tilt your head. You have to tilt your head that way now. Don't see that way.
No sense.
Bro, you're making it so difficult.
No, this is hard. My Face ID is set up. Enter passcode. Face ID is not ready.